Man, this game's falling apart. It's been 2 years. It happened. Golden noob gun. Anyways, well, what's up, guys? In today's YouTube video, we're returning to Blood Overhaul. This may be the last video I make on this game, because I really don't know what to do with this game anymore. We've done practically everything. Oh, get that out of my face. It's not even Easter anymore. That's the Cassius Thundercock guy from the meme. Let's go to scenario mode. Just like the old days. Town map, skyscraper map. We're going to the town map, of course. Is this still I remember it? I think it is. Hey, Jeff. Oh wow, the imposter is sus. Oh! Sus that you're dying, Jeff. Oh, it's so sus. That's so sus. Oh. Golden Uzi. Oh wow. Oh wow. You see, I can tell that nothing has changed at all. Tell me one thing that's changed. What's this police officer man, guy, sir, dude doing? Well, he's being dead. That's what he's doing. That's exactly what he's doing. A wealthy person. Seems very wealthy to me. Shopper. Hey, you, give me all the money you got. No! Oh, you won't give it to me? You're not gonna give me the money? Grr. I can't reload and I can't run out of ammo. I just have infinite ammo. Somebody nerf me. I'm too powerful. Oh my god. Wow. Very anticlimactic. Godly pistol. Admin. I'm not paying 1,600 Robux for that. No way, bro. Oh my god, what is this? Is this a rocket launcher? I don't know if this is a rocket launcher, guys. They try to dodge my attacks. They fail. Oh, you trying to dodge? Oh, you trying to dodge? That's insulting that you're trying to dodge me. Bro. Who's Dan? Why do they just float whenever they die? Hey, whoa, get back. Freedom gun. What does this do? It doesn't work. It's broken. Never mind. Okay, now that he's stuck, we can just... Yeah. Jeff, stay dead. Oh. Bro, stay down. Stay down, I tell you. You just had your arm ripped off. You're not surviving that game. Oh, God. Hey, Jeff, do you like that, Jeff? Jeff, that doesn't feel so good, does it, Jeff? I'm sorry, Jeff. Sorry, Farmer Joe. Sean. You're not Sean, bro. Why are the golden guns so powerful? It's not even funny, game. Oh, I can run. Wow. I'm running, guys. I'm running. Running from the police. Oh! What are those? Are those zombies? Hey, Mr. Man Zombie guy, sir. Oh, you're hurting me. Why are you hurting me? I gotta eliminate them. Oh, get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, stay down. No. Didn't think I'd get killed by zombies. What mode now? Are you not? Which map? I can see them. They should fix that. Oh well. Skyscraper. Let's go to the skyscraper. Skyscraper seem fun. Ah! Oh, I'm sorry. I was a little bit scared. You startled me. Wow. Freedom! I'll make more money than you, bro. I gotta flee the scene of crime right now. Take gun. Wow. Ah! Get down! Get down! Oops. Get down! Sir, get down! Get down, sir! Sir, get down! Sir, get down! Sir, get down! What is this? Get down, sir! Sir, get down! Come here, you think you can survive? You think you can survive on my watch? On my watch? Ugh! We have to get up there. How do we get up there? Who's Michael? Why are they just called Russians? Oh my god, Walter White! I'm sorry, Walter White. I didn't mean Walter White. Ah! He startled me. Vice sent me. Well, where's Vice? I'm killing him. Oh wow, what you doing there? What you doing there, boy? Whoa. Now in the ruckus. Oh, he already died. I'm sorry, in the chaos, I mean. Russian? Hello, Russian. God, I thought I would go in the red line. Bye-bye, Russian. Bye-bye, Russia. That was very anticlimactic. Ooh. Bro, go back there. Go back there. Go back there. Oh wow, why am I moving like this? Saul Goodman. Why are they just Breaking Bad characters? How do I get out?